5 delicious smoothie recipes.
1. Strawberry Banana Smoothie. Blend 1 banana, 1 cup of frozen strawberries, half cup of plain Greek yogurt, and half cup of milk together. 2. Kiwi Mango Smoothie. Blend 1 cup of frozen mango chunks, 1 peeled kiwi, half cup of plain Greek yogurt, and 2/3 cup of orange juice together. 3. Banana Oatmeal Smoothie. Blend half cup of rolled oats, 1 banana, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 1 cup of milk together. 4. Blueberry Acai Smoothie. Blend 1 frozen acai smoothie pack, 1 cup of frozen blueberries, half cup of plain Greek yogurt, and half cup of almond milk together. 5. Strawberry Coconut Smoothie. Blend 1 cup of frozen strawberries, 1/4 cup of unsweetened coconut flakes, 1 banana, and half cup of coconut milk together.